आवाज को नहीं, इसके कॉन्फिडेंस को भी फील करना आप लोग। और इसके कॉन्फिडेंस को अगर आपको अच्छा लगे, इसकी बातें आपको अच्छा लगे, तो सिर्फ आपके लिए छोटा सा रिक्वेस्ट है, ताली बजा देना।
Hello, good morning everyone. Respected chief, guest, principal, teacher, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Sabna Manjum. I read in class 7. I study in SK Public School. Student life is the best part of life. A student learns many things from books, but he has to enter the real world after his student life is over. So he needs practical knowledge of things. Student life lead a man to live a successful life. In fact, student life is a life of learning. A student learns morality and good manners. He understands the value of discipline in life. So student life is period of making and preparation. Student life is carefree life. It is life of joy. A student is free from the all gross of the world. He gets different atmosphere from the college. He